Let's learn about questions and answers.
Please ask him the time.
Ask.
What's the time?
May I ask a question?
Question.
Please answer all the questions on the paper.
Answer. Now choose the correct answer.
No one knew the to his question.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No one knew the answer to his question.
She was too shy to for more lemonade.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. She was too shy to ask for more lemonade.
She only had one left to answer in the exam.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. She only had one question left to answer in the exam.
She had a lot of for her teacher.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. She had a lot of questions for her teacher.
She didn't like to her mum for help.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. She didn't like to ask for help.
All her were correct.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All her answers were correct. Now unscramble the letters.
Let's the teacher.
Let's ask the teacher.
Does anyone know the
Does anyone know the answer?
Teacher, may I ask
Teacher, may I ask a question?
please me if you don't understand.
Please ask me if you don't understand.
What am I doing?
Ask.
Yes, I'm asking a question.
What am I doing?
Question.
Yes, I'm asking a question.
My name is Lou. What am I doing?
Answer.
Yes, I'm giving an answer.